Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will be formally unveiled on October 4th. Now they are going to get a more rounded design than the company's current flagship models. A new leak suggests the Pixel 8a will embrace a radical version of the new design. Some images of the so-called Pixel 8a has been posted by tipster Abhishek Yadav on the social media website X. Given that Pixel 7a was announced in May, the Pixel 8a is several months away, so this is just an early prototype. The device is a cross between the Pixel 8 and Pixel 7a. Like forthcoming Pixel 8 Duo, the phone has a curved edges, giving it a whole new aesthetic look. With the Pixel 8, Google gave a relatively slight curve to the corners, and it looks like the company is massively pleased with that change and decided to implement a more extreme version on the Pixel 8. While the display specs are not known, Pixel 8 series is expected a slightly smaller display than its predecessors. We can also assume that the Pixel 8 display will be smaller than the Pixel 7a 6.1 inch. The image shows the phone in the shade of blue, that is very similar to sky hue for the upcoming Pixel 8 Pro. This phone will get a slightly downclocked Tensor G3 chip as well.